One idea to help organize Drive is to delete the oldest files in your Drive. So if I go to Date Modified and maybe I go to Custom and I want to choose between, gosh, I don't even know when we started using Google here, but I think it was around 2008, 01, 01, and maybe I want to search through 2000, I don't know, 14. I don't even know if we've had Drive that long. We'll find out. And search there. And then delete files that are so old, or really quickly look at these and see what's actually needed. Right now, I have my view, so it looks kind of like squares. You can go by list. And when you do go by list, you can see also over here when that last date modified was. So this might be a great place to start to delete some files.